Okay, one of the questions I get asked is, where do you put all the stuff? Brown Bear has a lot of extras added on. As we all know, a Mini Cooper has no space at all. So this is a little tour, a couple seconds, telling you where I put all the stuff. Okay, so first, extra horns. I put one here. The other one got put on the other side in its normal horn place. Lights underneath. I have the Aurora lights. I placed it here, silicone both ends. It fits nicely on that, and it hasn't moved. Haven't had problems with it. That's all my wires that go to all the ground lighting underneath the car that changes color. Next thing, how do I control all the lights? I have my winch and my lights. Where's all that power come from? I took out my air intake pipe. It usually goes under here, completely missing because I have my Forge and M7 air intake system that I added. Right here, this little box right here, which I'll see if I can get the cover off. This little box right here, actually I can't unless I move this. This black box I mounted underneath. That's what this screw is here. There's another screw over here. These two screws hold this box on underneath my engine frame right there. That box actually controls 6 different things. It controls big light, it controls small light, it controls color light, it controls work lights, which is color light turned to white, and it controls the internal remote control for the winch. All that's controlled from that one box, which has my breakers in it, or fuses, and it also has my relays, which it uses 30 amp auto relays, and it has one 50 amp relay. So if you're going to put some big mother of a light, it has one relay designed for that. All the wires that go from there go directly to the battery. Inside the battery case, you can see back there a little bit of a metal from it. Inside the battery case is my whole relay system to work the winch. Right here is my local switch to also work the winch. It is remote control, so inside our remote control, flip on my relay, and then I can do remote control. Don't want to mistakenly turn it on by hitting it. This box here, if you look on my site, you'll actually see a picture of the control box inside. Has 6 nice little buttons on it, which makes it easy to control everything in a Mini, because all you see is a little 2x3 light panel that tells you what's on, and it tells you what's off. Other than that, my intercooler is in the very bottom. Winch is on my bull bar. Bull bar is directly attached to the bumper of the car, which has a full support that goes across from one frame support to the other, so the bumper is not normal, it actually is supported. The bottom of the bull bar actually connects to 2 beams, which run all the way back and connect to the main bolts for the engine support. So this actually pulls on the main frame, doesn't just pull on the bumper or just pull on the clamps. By the way, this is my radar detector system. Sensor is right in the middle. You can see it shiny right there. And these are my sensors for lasers. I also have 2 of the same sensors on the back, which I made little brackets for with my 3D printer. So that's a walkthrough of under the hood of Brown Bear.